I am here to make a video about the Ryobi 4-volt lithium USB lithium plus vacuum. It comes with the manual that I think it's the manual for the tool, and it comes with a thing to register it. I'll have to register it, you know. Yeah, these are like the pamphlets and stuff for it. Yeah, that's for the battery and other little pamphlets and the register. That's what all that is. Then that's the manual for the tool. The let's see here. The model number is FVB01. That's what it says on there. I'll give you another model number. Wait, scratch that. I read the model number wrong. The model number is actually FVH67. The one on the manual is the right model number if you see it. I was reading it wrong. Now, what's neat about this vacuum is it also comes with this so you can charge the batteries and a USB port. Now, what's neat about this vacuum is it comes with this, the 2 amp hour battery. Another thing, it comes with a Crevice Tool. And that's the vacuum. The desktop vacuum, and it's clear. If you want to take the vent off, you hit the back right here, you click it and it comes off. So it's clear and you see through it. Now another thing that this thing has that no other desktop vacuum has is it comes with filter to protect the motor from getting clogged up. That's what those desktop vacuums, how they come out getting tore up. They clog up because they don't have this to protect them. Now, I would still get in there. It's still some dust is going to get in there, and when it does, I still would get in there and wipe that out with like a very lightly damp cloth or something without touching the motor, and then let it, and then dry it, you know. Or take another, or actually don't do that because you might damage the seal around it. Actually, I would take something else and brush that off, or another vacuum, you know, another like house vacuum, definitely another house vacuum, and clean that out, and then use it to clean this filter off. And you just snap it in back like that. This is the part that helps guide the dust in. Another thing's cool about this, the hole's bigger than those ones you buy online, those actual desktop vacuums. Now to snap this back on, you take this side that has the arrow, and you line up with this arrow. It's what you do when you do the filter, and they all go in the back. And it just snaps on like that. And then another thing you do is you take the cap, you put it back on, and you tighten it till it clicks. I'll turn it on in a minute. Now it's got rubber overmold where, like if you say you want to hold it like that, you can, or you want to hold it from top, you can. All the gray is rubber silicone rubber overmold. And another thing that's good about it is if you got this tool, and that thing runs over a battery, take the battery out of it and put it in it. They're all backwards compatible. Even their new 3 amp hour batteries, which can charge electronics, they're backwards compatible. I've actually killed the battery on this one. Had to charge it. Now, I'm going to see if they'll let me flip the camera around to show a demonstration of the tool, but if it won't, then I'll have to do that another way. I'm going to see if they'll let me. Okay, now, see my coffee table? Yeah. That is K-Cup coffee, K-Cup hot chocolate powder, and coffee grounds, and Celestial's K-Cup tea that's spread all over that thing. I'm going to see how much this thing will pick up. I mean, this thing is picked up, this thing right here has picked up fine dust for some reason. And hairs and crap. I was just dusting that table one day because it needed to be dusted. I was doing that actually yesterday because I got a tool in the mail and it picked it all up. But when you get it on, you have an LED light that stays on. When that light goes off, it means the tool is dead. So I'm going to demonstrate this, show y'all how it picks up. I'm going to actually clean this whole entire table if I can. I've got another tool that's coming today from Ryobi that I'm going to show. Can't demonstrate it because it's just a cleaning tool. I might do that later on down the road. When I get through with the table, I'll show what all it does. And I'm just going to prove a point that you don't have to use this just for a desktop. So like if you were to spill something on your in your kitchen on the countertop, you can clean up. Now I would not clean up fine powder with this because it'll clog that filter up in the vacuum and kill it. But as long as you got this registered on the Ryobi website, then you will that was a little bit extreme, but come back to here. That's everything in there. That's how much it picked up. That's how much it will pick up. I went over the little bit extreme. Picked up more than what it can pick up. Because once the filter starts getting gets fully clogged, it will you can hear it bogging down. But yeah, I like half the side of the table to clean up and a little bit more on the other side. It'll be done. I'm gonna go empty it and then we'll do one more demonstration on that table. I just emptied the vacuum, and yeah, a lot of the fine particles will go through. I don't recommend to do this, you know, you gotta be careful. You gotta use caution. But yeah, or you got anything to blow this filter off, blow it. I don't know 100% if I don't know 100% if this I think this mesh filter, yeah, this mesh filter looked like it can be washed, you know, under running water and then let it dry for 24 hours and then put it back in the tool. I'm going to demonstrate one other thing. I'm going to actually take this, take it, put it on here. It don't matter which way you put it, because it's good for like when you're doing your keyboards on your laptops and your computers and stuff. And now we're going to put you back down and demonstrate again. I mean, it just picks up nothing like it's nothing. And then when you're through with the tool, And then when you're through with the tool, you just take this, stick it back in a little hole, and you got it ready to go another day. It don't sit in there perfect, it's gonna be a little wobble, but it works. So yeah, if you get what I mean, that's what that does. And I hope you like it. Hope you like it. Peace out.